Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is color property with respect to addition and multiplication. Because we have the set means set 0 comma minus 1 possessive with a property of color property with respect to addition and multiplication. Means in this set we have value, first we add and second we multiply. Means first of all addition means 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Again means 0, first we add 0 with 0 and again 0 with minus 1, means 0 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Again minus 1 add with 0, means 0 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 1, and again minus 1 add with minus 1, minus 1 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Again minus 1 add with 0, means addition property minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1. Again this is the first property of color property with respect to addition. Again we multiplication means multiply the set 0 comma minus 1. 0 multiply with 0 is equal to the 0. Again 0 multiply with is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. Means 0 multiply any term, any value is equal to 0, because minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Again minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we set the value, again 0, 0 possesses the value, means set again minus 1 possesses set, minus 2 does not possess it, because minus 2 is not included in set 0 comma minus 1 with respect to addition, and minus 1 possesses with it. Set again in multiplication 0 0 0, but 0 is not included in set with respect to multiplication set, and my 1 is not included, means 0 are included in set 0 comma minus 1, but 1 is not included in set 0 comma minus 1, because we have two values with respect to addition and multiplication, minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 and 1 are not included in set 0 comma minus 1, because addition and multiplication does not satisfy the property of, because 1 and minus 1 does not include in set 0 comma minus 1. Again we have another question, by the condition apply the possessive property with respect to addition and multiplication. Again because we have set 0 comma minus means in the first question this is not satisfied with addition and multiplication. Again we take another question and we prove that and we satisfy the properties with respect to addition. Means first we add 1 with 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to the 2, and again 1 plus again add with minus 1 is equal to 0. Again minus 1 addition with 1 is equal to 0, because minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and again minus 1 add with minus 1, means same value. Minus 1 plus minus 1 is equal to, both are the negative values, because add is equal to minus 2. Again we take the multiplication, 1 multiply 1 is equal to the 1. Again 1 multiply minus 1, means 1 first we multiply 1 with 1, again 1 multiply with minus 1 is equal to minus 1, and again the satisfy the property for second value, minus 1 multiply 1, minus 1 multiply 1 is equal to minus 1. Again minus 1 multiply with minus 1, means minus minus is equal to plus, means in this condition, because we have satisfy the property addition and multiplication, which addition is not possesses the set, because we add the value 1 with 1 is equal to the 2 and 0 and minus 2, because 2 comma 0 comma minus 2 does not satisfy the set 1 comma minus 1, because these are the values are not included in the set, and again in multiplication 1 and minus 1 are included in set 1 comma minus 1, because multiplication possesses the property and the addition does not possess the property, because we add the values and we take the values with respect to addition 2 0 comma minus 2. These are not included in set 1 comma minus 1. Again, the second question, name of the property of following equation using letter. Means we have the property and we take the value and we satisfy the property and give the names. Again, 4 plus 9 is equal to 9 plus 4. Means first question means we take the value from left hand side is 4 and right hand side first value is 9. Again means let's suppose a plus b, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 9. Means a plus b, 4 plus 9 is equal to a plus b. Again in right hand side 9 plus 4 is equal to b plus a. Means a plus b is equal to b plus a. These are the same values because we have changed the small statement for the value. Means we take the value left and right, convert and change the statement, because this is the property of commutative property with respect to addition. Again, second question, number 2, a minus a is equal to 0. Means we prove that for the following equation by the using names a plus minus a. Means we have the property of additive inverse, because a minus a, because we have used the property first we plus then in bracket and minus 1. Means these are the cancellation property, plus and minus is equal to 0. Means we apply the property of additive inverse. Again third question, we have a property, again a multiply with bracket b minus c is equal to a multiply b minus a multiply c. Means we have a property of distributive property, but a distributive property concerned with a left property, because we have multiplied the value b minus c a from the condition a left hand side, because the property is left distributive property. Again question second, x minus y multiply z. Means we have multiply z with bracket x minus y. Means multiply x multiply z minus x multiply means y multiply z. Means this is the property of distributive property, because the value of multiplication with bracket is right. Means in this condition we multiply the left, in this question we multiply the right. Means we multiply the value left, the property is converted into left property, and again we multiply the right statement, this is the convert into right distributive property. And again question number 3, properties of inequality. Inequality means the values are less or greater. Again number question 1, minus 3 is less than minus 2 is equal to, it is implies that 0 less than. Means in this condition we apply the statement minus 3 less than minus 2, which is equal to 0 less than 1. Means both sides we add the 3. Means in this condition we minus 3 convert into 0, means minus 3. If we add the same value in plus condition, because minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Means we have add 3 left hand side and 3 is already at the right hand side, because in this statement minus 2 we have converted into minus 2 in 1. Means we add the large value with minus 2, because converted into 1. Both sides we have add 3, means minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Means 3 is greater than minus 1, because converted into 1. This is a property of additive property. And again we have the property, question number 2, a is greater than b. Means it implies that minus a less than minus b. Means in this statement a is greater than b, it implies that we add or we subtract, we apply the statement, then we convert into minus a less than minus b. Means in this statement we convert the greater value in less than. Means if we multiply minus 1 both sides, because minus 1 is multiply a less than minus 1 multiply b, means minus 1 multiply a is equal to minus a, again less than minus b, convert in minus b, because minus 1 multiply b, this is a statement, we convert a in minus b, because we take the values from large value convert into negative value, means this is a property of multiplicative property. Thank you.